So, well, it's been a while.
It's been a while, Kuya
What
John.
have you been doing so far? And can you tell us a little bit more about Vibe and what it is?
Maliban sa kalaro kita sa Fortnite, I'm doing face-to-face, harapan as every day on TV5. I'm live selling and I'm handling 3 companies.
Yes, I'm quite impressed with what you have, and I know how much you earn from that.
I don't know. No, you don't.
But can you tell us first about this one? This is quite new.
Yeah.
No, yung mga kasama mo medyo nasa other TV5 shows din.
Yes, yes.
How big is this? And can you tell us more about what Vibe
You know,
is?
honestly, I'm just beginning to grasp the gravity of what this is. Kasi noong una, I thought it's just another show. Na, okay, syempre, you know me naman, I'm very passionate about whatever I do. Wala naman ako. But when I started hearing about who we're partnering with, how grand of a scale they're going for with this, nagulat ako na parang, wow, okay, this is a major responsibility. It's not just like anything I've done before. Alam mo yon na parang, okay, Showtime, I'm very thankful to Showtime because sa kanila ako nahasa with hosting, and that in turn gave me my live selling skills face to face. And then now I think this is gonna be like the perfect playground for everything that I've learned. Parang dito talaga siya. So in Vibe, we're gonna be showcasing original Filipino music. We're a countdown show, but we're not just that. Madami tayong in-offer. Like we have a schedule here. So there's Vibe on Sundays, may Vibe Up, Vibe Nights, Vibe TV, and Vibe Cafe. So, yan, the online shows, mga daily shows po yan. Lots of different things in store. May parang may mga top 10 countdowns tayo. We have guests also on Sundays. So, yung mga OPM artists na gusto natin, if you have anybody na you like, you can vote for them. Ganun siya, and it's live. All of it's live. So, nakakatuwa lang na that's what's gonna happen. And if you notice, eto, Vibe Up happens in the afternoon. Vibe Nights happens at night. So, twice per day.
This will all be shown on TV5?
Mostly on TV5, but may online show din kami, Vibe Cafe. So,
on YouTube, TikTok,
yeah. Yeah. So, yun.
Okay, parang ang laki-laki nitong...
Diba?
Teka lang, ang masasacrifice na time na naman ito.
Time na naman, yes. But me and my family, we were talking last night na parang, kasi I still wanna, you were a Sanda user.
Yes.
So sabi ko, the most thing that's suffering right now sa schedule ko is Sanda. Sabi ko, I wanna find a way to revamp Sanda again, since bilang I'm the creative director, mamaya tanggalin ako dun. I wanna revamp Sanda and fit it into my schedule. Sabi ng dad ko, Vibe is daily. Face-to-face is twice a week. May live ka with Shopee, may live ka with ganito, ganyan. You're handling 3 separate brands. Paano mo paisisingit yun? I'm gonna find a way. Kailangan ko siyang hanapan ng paraan. But I'm very happy. I'm very grateful na parang everything's coming into fruition now.
Yeah.
No? And of course, most importantly, I'm still going to find time to play.
You don't have time now, but...
Madaling araw. Yung usual time slot natin. That's kind of sacred sa laro.
Okay. But now that, parang sabi mo nga everything's falling into place, where does your personal goals come into petition to?
Well, ako and everyone around me knows naman na this has to take for the front seat muna, and everything else will fall into place naman as it should. So parang ito na muna, and everything else can find its spot.
Natatakot ako sa schedule mo. But ikaw ba hindi? Parang, do you think this is okay?
Ang worry ko lang siguro now is coding. All the days na coding ako, and I have to bring so much stuff.
And you just have to swap with your brother?
Yun siguro.
Okay.
And then maybe, pwede akong merit ng company car to somebody. Para may second, tayo.
That's
May
nice.
option.
But what's going to happen with your particular portion and program?
Well, we're all Vibe Jocks, so we're all basically the same.
And are you going to be mixed up with like other shows? Parang ganun ba ang
May mga tie-ups, not yet, but later on today, we will be announcing our first major tie-up. Major tie-up siya. Well, actually, I don't know if it's an announcement na today. Basta alam ko it's gonna be a social gathering muna. And then later down the line, we're gonna have like a press conference for it again. But not too far from now. Wala lang kaming date for it. I'll tell you after. I'll tell you after. Off the
All right.
record.
After that, of course, let's go into your businesses.
Yeah.
What brands are you carrying right now, and what can you suggest people to get from
Alright.
all your brands?
Well, first and foremost, Kuya John Kumagkaw, right now is sporting the Sanda 6008, which he bought from me also. And yeah, yun yung una. Me and my brother, we're the creative directors for Sanda in the Philippines. And if you guys wanna buy lang kayo, nasa TikTok lang po yan. I specifically would recommend the 10999 line. Those are the ones that look like Rolex Submariners. Beautiful pieces, designed by me and my brother. Tapos, of course, Anya perfume, which I'm wearing today. I'm wearing Luxurious Flame, which is inspired by Baccarat Rouge. You don't have to buy 52,000 pesos worth of perfume.
All right.
You only 999 na lang siya. I am the marketing and IT ng Anya perfume. And I am gonna be a separate reseller also for Anya perfume. And then Naya is our latest. We just launched actually on July 15. We're gonna have a press conference for that as well.
Oh,
That is whitening, brightening soap na nakakabura ng pimples, nakakatanggal ng dark spots. And for 199 pesos, tatlo na siya.
yun yung medyo na showcase mo na sa ads na yun.
Yeah, right now, I'm doing ads for that ngayon. And then, in a few months, I'm launching my own soap naman. It's the boy version. Well, technically, Naya now is unisex. Pero a model na geared a bit towards for men. Pero pwede rin naman siya gamitin ng babae. Because I know women that like charcoal din. So, yun, charcoal soap siya. You heard it here sa Kumagkaw.
What's gonna be the name of it?
Naya Extreme.
All right.
That's why yung Naya ko on Instagram is called Naya Extreme. Kasi it's gonna rebrand when probably September, October, somewhere there, in the Burr months. Doon ko siya ilo-launch.
Alright, can't wait for that to happen. Alam mo naman, parang medyo number one fan na these
Ano,
days.
no.
What's happening with your life?
Ang hirap mo kasi sabayan sa build.
I mean, nakaka-happy yung ginagawa mo.
Well, while we're young and while we can, diba?
We do what we can.
We do what we can. May kasabihan eh, if we can, we do. That's from Tommy Shelby, Peaky Blinders. Yun yun.
And what does your family say about all these recent successes?
Honestly, sobra silang happy. They're really, really happy na I seem to have found what I'm meant for. Na, I guess, siguro, drama, I like drama, I like doing drama, I like doing movies, television. But siguro, may talent ako sa pagdadaldal. Di ba pagka naglalaro tayo, sino dumadaldal the most?
Yes.
Para ako din naman eh.
Yes.
So, ay, may pupuntahan pala yung pagdadaldal ko.
But now, that vibe is happening. How does that come into play with regards to your career path? What's going to happen eventually in the near future? What's the dream for Vibe?
The dream for Vibe is number one, to survive. So to survive first, because that's the struggle of any new program being introduced, any new concept, is it for it to survive.
Yes.
And grow. Survive it and then scale. Yun lang naman. And once it scales, who knows what Vibe can do, who knows what Vibe can reach, di ba? And of course, sana ako din mag-survive bilang cast ng Vibe.
And it's gonna be live every day, so I'm
Yes.
really wishing you that you can do this.
Oh, good luck sa gas. Sa gas
You're
talaga.
gonna do great, Michelle.
I hope.
Would you mind inviting people to watch
Of course.
the shows?
What's up, everybody? This is Val Santiago, your Vibe Jock. And this coming August 10, you will be able to watch Vibe every single day of the week. Magsawa kayo sa pagbumuka ko because you'll see me thrice a day. So, Vibe will be on Sundays, 6:15 to 7:45. Vibe Up, 4:45 to 5:30, Monday to Friday. Vibe Nights, 11:30 to 12 midnight naman. So may gabi tayo. Vibe TV, 6:30 to 7:15 on Saturdays. And after the main show ng Vibe on Sundays, meron tayong Vibe Cafe. That's the online show. Medyo mas chill na tayo doon. So I hope you guys support Vibe. And of course, Kumagkaw.
Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks, Kuya
Super
John.
happy sa'yo. Super